Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make a delicious baby spinach smoothie. To begin, you will need a few simple ingredients. Start with 1 cup of fresh baby spinach, which is mild in flavor. Then, add 1 ripe banana for natural sweetness and creaminess. Next, select 1 cup of your preferred liquid base, such as almond milk or water. Finally, include 1 tablespoon of a healthy fat like chia seeds or 1/4 of an avocado to enhance the texture and nutritional value. Now, let's get blending for that perfect, silky texture. First, carefully add all your prepared ingredients into a high-speed blender. It is best to put the liquid in first, followed by the spinach, then the banana and other additions. Begin blending on a low setting to break down the solids, then slowly increase the speed to high. Continue blending for about 60 to 90 seconds, or until your smoothie is entirely smooth and free of any spinach pieces. Once you have the basic smoothie down, feel free to customize it to your liking. For an extra zing, try adding a small squeeze of fresh lemon juice or a tiny pinch of grated ginger. If you want to boost the nutritional content, consider incorporating 1 scoop of your favorite protein powder or a tablespoon of almond butter. Remember, you can always adjust the amount of liquid to achieve your preferred thickness, adding more for a thinner consistency. Your delicious and nutritious baby spinach smoothie is now ready to enjoy. For the very best flavor and nutrient retention, we highly recommend serving it immediately after blending. If you happen to have any leftovers, simply pour them into an airtight container and store it in the refrigerator. To ensure maximum freshness and nutritional benefits, make sure to consume any stored smoothie within 24 hours. Enjoy this healthy treat.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.